How do you transform this to this? Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to repaint gym plates that have rust. You need a steel brush and using water, brush the loose debris off the plates. Place your plates in a bucket and stack them. Pour a solution of 50% vinegar and 50% water. Let the solution sit for 24 hours. After soaking overnight, the acid in the vinegar reacted with the rust, causing this froth to form and the discoloration of the solution. Remove the gym plates and rinse with water. You can scrub the remaining rust with a steel brush and for tight spaces a toothbrush. For stubborn rust that remains, you can opt to soak the plates again in a new vinegar solution. You may need to soak it longer than 24 hours this time. I suggest 3 to 5 days. Once done, just repeat the process of rinsing with water and scrubbing the rusty areas with a steel brush and a toothbrush. Soak the plates in a solution of baking soda and water. The proportion is 1 cup baking soda for every gallon of water and soak for 10 minutes. The purpose of the baking soda solution is to neutralize the acids from the vinegar. Remove the plates from the solution and dry with a cloth. Make sure you dry it thoroughly. You can use a blower to quickly dry the plates. Once the plates are dry, apply a primer coat on it. Since primers vary, follow the instructions printed on the can. Now that we finished with the gray primer, it's time to paint it black. Just follow the instructions at the back of the can. Make sure to apply in thin coats and let it dry in between coats. Now that the black paint is already dry, the work is nearly done. However, I've decided to paint the markings with white, so it's easier to read. Now others would paint all the labels, but deciding which to paint is always up to you. I'm transferring some of the white paint onto this small container, and instead of using a brush or a roller, I've decided to cut out a small piece of sponge, enough to cover a letter of the marking. Finally, after all that work, this project is done. I hope this video has helped you understand how to repaint rusty gym plates. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe.